Today we're going to announce the winner of the $250 shopping spree and tell you all about what else is going on at Parts Express. Dayton Audio has new speakers. There's a 6.5 inch, an 8 inch, and a 10 inch version of these professional high-powered mid-bass drivers. Built for high impact and low distortion, these are a great choice for dynamic high output, 2-way and 3-way designs, or just about anything else you can throw at them. It's a new year, so you might be working on a new you. This month, we are celebrating Just For You January, a way to do something for yourself. Take a look at a few items we've picked out that are ways to improve your year and, in turn, get you started down a path of revitalizing your audio equipment. Speaking of upgrading your audio, you might want to consider getting a soundbar. Dayton Audio offers the BS41, which sounds incredible. But if you're more interested in a little DIY, the Audio Bar is a power-packed kit that you can customize to your liking. Whatever you choose, get your soundbars from Parts Express. Now it's time to announce the winner of the $250 shopping spree for Dayton Audio gear. A big prize that can get you so many cool items. The winner for the December prize is Matthew S. from Hannibal, Missouri. Congratulations, Matthew. We'll be in touch soon. Now for January, Dayton Audio is going to keep dishing out the prizes. $470 worth of prizes to be exact, because the giveaway is for an MK602X 5.1 home theater system with a 12-inch subwoofer. Thanks again, Dayton Audio, for the giveaway, and good luck to everyone who enters. We'll see you next month.